According to the CDC, 67 million Americans have high blood pressure. Only 16 million of them take prescription drugs, though. And now local patients can get some of those prescriptions for free. Part of a program just announced by Giant Eagle.
Channel 11's Lisa Sylvester learned how you can take advantage of it. Lisa?
David and Peggy, if you take blood pressure medicine or you know somebody who does, here's how this will work. Starting today, 2 of the most common prescriptions will be free right at your grocery store, and we'll walk you through what you need to have to do to get those tablets. High blood pressure affects 1 in 3 people, according to the Centers for Disease Control. But the problem is people aren't getting treated. That's part of the reason behind Giant Eagle's program to offer the drugs free of charge.
With a lot of people going untreated, there's a lot of cardiac risks that can occur and other health issues that can be compounded from this. With Giant Eagle offering this, it's going to make it more available for the customers.
Here's what you need to know. If you have a prescription that qualifies you, you can now get up to 90 tablets of lisinopril or lisinopril hydrochlorothiazide for free. Channel 11 went to the Brentwood Giant Eagle Pharmacy to find out how the program will work. Customers have to provide a valid prescription from a doctor to receive the free medicine.
Giant Eagle is actually the only pharmacy in the area that is offering this free blood pressure medication at this time.
There's also a new pharmacy app for patients to make sure you're staying on your medication routine. You can refill prescriptions on the app and find out when yours is ready. And if you're not sure whether or not you even have high blood pressure, you can check that at a machine inside the store. It's right at the pharmacy. Prenatal vitamins and generic antibiotics have also been available for free at Giant Eagle now for a while.